Hi, kumusta?
Pero, mabuti ma'am, okay lang.
Okay lang, okay. Meron na tayong result kay.
Yes ma'am.
'Di ba? Sandali, tingnan ko nga yung i-review ko lang ha. Nung nag-apply kayo ng open work permit, hindi na approvean, 'di ba?
Kung sabi siguro ma'am, kasi nga nandito ako sa store ma'am. Nandiyan si Mrs.
Okay, si Mrs. Mrs., kumusta?
Ma'am, okay naman po.
Okay. Nung nag-apply ka ba ng application ng work permit na under kay husband, kasi nga si husband is supervisor, 'di ba? Na-refuse ka, 'di ba?
Yeah, nung wala pa pong Lamia, ma'am.
Wala pang LMI, tapos na-refuse ka. Tapos, sino na nga ba yung nagsabi nun? I just wanted to actually make sure na ka-analysis. Sino na nga ba yung nagsabi sa'yo na hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply ng open work permit? Gusto po.
Namin.
Parang nandyan kayong lahat
Nakatira sila dito sa bahay kasi.
Okay, sige.
So, sandali. Okay, ganito yan. Okay, if I
Galing.
remember it correct,
Mhm.
that was May ba yun? May yata yun noon nung nag-submit sila.
Okay.
May ba yun?
May.
Or
Okay.
basta May or September, somewhere there. Nung nag-submit, nung pwede pa siyang mag-apply ng open work permit, yung spousal.
Mhm. Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
And then, January ba nung na-declare na? January ba yun?
Ah.
January, okay. So, December yata sila na-refuse noon kasi wala pa yung LMIA.
Tapos nag-change yung rule na pang high wage na sila, di ba?
Hindi. On process yung LMIA. On process pa lang.
Okay,
On
tapos
process pa yung LMIA. Okay, nung nag-submit sila ng extension of work permit at saka spousal open work permit, hindi pa na ibababa yun noon yung new policy. Oo.
Okay.
So, so meron silang 90 days, right?
Yeah.
So, nabigyan sila ng 90
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
And then, pagkatapos ng 90 days, lumabas na yung LMIA.
Okay.
Oo. So, ang ginawa nung outside application, yung open work permit.
Aha, okay.
Oo. So, si sister, sabi nung consultant, hindi na siya pwede kasi dun sa new policy. Ginawa ng consultant, nag-apply ng visitor's record. Oo. So, yung visitor's record, good for 6 months, natapos na nung June.
And then keep on extending
And
before
then,
June.
hindi ako mapakali kasi napanood ko yung vlog mo. Oo. So, sabi ko, parang yan, nag-waste kami ng time, sabi ko.
Tapos napunta pa siya sa sa tourist visa na dapat hindi.
Yes, doon nag-apply kami. So mag-extend kami. So nag-extend siya nung June.
Very good, yeah.
Tapos yun nga, kinausap ka namin.
Yeah,
Another
then-
6 months.
Yeah. And then yun yung time na sinabi ko na hindi, pwede. Ano ba?
Alam mo, nainis talaga ako. Alam mo yung consultant?
Nainis ka? Naku, patay tayo dyan.
Hindi nainis ako kasi alam mo ba yung, okay, ganito kasi yun. Kasi siya yung consultant, right? So, ang pagkakalam ko kasi every time nagbabayad kami, wala namang problema sa payment. Although, it's so hard, right? Kasi ang bigat. Kaya lang,
Do the right thing, right? Do the right thing. Advise the right thing, right? Pero I just wanna let you know, wala pa ring assurance that like what I've done to you guys. Right now, just to let you know na yung application na rin is approved.
Pupuntahan ko siya kasi nagpunta sa tindahan. Kasi may tinatanong. Oh my God, I wanna kiss you. I wanna hug you.
Okay, so virtual hug.
Shit.
See?
Yeah.
So approved. Balik ka sa work permit, okay?
Oh my God.
Approve. Yes, approve na approve. A matter of, I believe, knowing and understanding the immigration law at saka yung changes. Of course, yung experience ko. And that's why it's very, very important for me to, post all those things kasi nga nag-guide kayo. Now, it's all up to you. I'm putting a value on my immigration law practice in order for me to be able to help people. Yeah.
Listen, I don't mind. Kasi nung nabasa ko yung vlog mo, about something like, sa Calgary ba yun or Edmonton na supervisor?
Oh, yeah. Na-approvean, di ba? Parehas kayo.
Doon ko, sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, ganon. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko, I have, actually, nag-book ako na appointment. They don't know.
Okay. So, it's all on you.
Where?
Yeah, it's all on you.
nung nag-exchange tayo ng email, sabi ko, I have to do it, sabi ko. Kasi kung pwede pala, nag-waste na kami ng time.
Yeah, I know.
Oo.
And
So,
also, ito yung
niya.
ito yung maganda dahil naka-under kay husband. So ibig sabihin, open permit siya. Gagawin natin sa open permit na 'yan. Planado na natin for the PR pathway. Of
Yes,
course, they are
okay.
under the economic class. Kailangan experience, legitimate experience ngayon itong si so yun ang gagawin natin. But the main thing is that makakabalik ka na to work legally, and at the same time, open permit, you can work anywhere you want in this country. Okay?
God, thank you, Norilyn. Oh my God! Nabuhayan ako ng espiritu.
May spirit ka. Okay.
Alam mo ba? Kasi ganito, okay? Kasi meron akong cleaning business, right?
Mhm.
Gusto ko siyang dalin.
Mm.
Eh, sabi ko, baka mahuli, natatakot ako. Alam mo
Yeah,
ba?
very good. Tama lang yan. Tama lang
Sabi
yan.
ko,
Yeah.
no. Oh,
Yeah,
no. Sabi
yeah.
ko, kaya nagpa-plan na kami pag na-open work permit ka, mag-i-start na tayo, ganito yung sweldo, tapos mag-caregiver ka pa rin sa bahay. So,
Yeah.
sandali.
It
So,
doesn't
sandali.
matter. Okay, it doesn't
Oh.
matter. You can clean anywhere you want. You can be the boss anywhere she wants, and then she can be a caregiver or nanny kasi open permit siya. Kailangan full-time kapag caregiver or nanny kasi pag nag-open ang caregiver program for PR, pwede siyang mag-apply. Kompleto siya ng documentation at requirements, and also that's gonna be together with her whole family. Naka-under lang siya sa asawa niya. Exciting. At the same time, ang papel ni husband is 2028. So I believe since under siya kay husband, then hanggang 2028 din siya. Okay?
Ay, nainis naman ako. Sayang yung 1 year. Imagine mo, sayang yung 1 year.
Eh kasi hindi mo ako kinontak agad eh.
Actually, kung titignan mo yung message ko sa'yo.
I know. It's my
message ako
fault.
sa'yo.
It's my fault.
Oh my God,
Hindi ko naman kasi
before.
hindi ko naman kasi ma-handlean lahat. Ang dami ninyong nagme-message, and hindi ko mag-grasp lahat ng nagme-message sa akin.
I'm so happy talaga. Okay, sandali. Okay, mag-plan na tayo. So,
Okay.
paano yung work permit niya ngayon? Paano na?
Well, naka-work permit siya dati inside Canada. So, ang ginawa ko, strategy ko is, because naka-tourist visa siya, in-apply ko siya made outside Canada. So, ibig
It's okay,
sabihin, it doesn't matter, na-approve na siya. So, ibig sabihin, she need to get out from the country para ma-activate yung kanyang work permit. So, ibig sabihin, pumunta siya sa Mexico or anywhere na gusto niya, then pagbalik niya, ipapakita niya itong approval ng kanyang passport, then pwede na siyang bumalik dito. Mayroon na siyang work permit, ganun yun.
Oh my God! Parang ako nananaginip.
Salamat ha, salamat sa kindness, salamat sa paniniwala. I really, really appreciate it.
Ano ba nung sa totoo lang, nung napanood ko yung vlog mo, sabi ko, okay, that's it. Sabi ko ganun. Sabi ko, whether mag-reply siya o hindi, magme-message ako.
Very good. I'm glad na I was able to reply sa inyo. And you know what, to be honest, when I was doing this work, nasa labas ako ng aking office. Actually, nasa hotel ako when I was doing the consultation with you guys. And I was in Montreal. And you need to review or research etong case na to kasi hindi natin gawin. So, that's exactly what I did. Okay? So, napaka-importante na ang humahawak sa inyo is kami siyang alam in terms of pasikot-sikot sa immigration law. Right